Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today my video it's something different. It's related to food vlog. In this quarantine time, most often people are doing golgappes at home. I'll show you how to make oil-free golgappa in oven. I have been buying these golgappas in the shop and keeping this in a plate of oven. You can place nearly 10 to 15 at a time. After that, I used to set a timing. My micro oven is Whirlpool and I'm setting timings for max level, and timings you can keep for 60 seconds to 1 minute. Now I started my oven. Slightly you can see the blowing of golgappas. Within a fraction of seconds, nearly like 60 to 90 seconds, the puris will blow up easily. And I think it's very simple. It's oil free. You can even put your oil at the starting. Guys, it's very simple and it's time saving and it's oil free, and you'll get yummy golgappas ready in fraction of seconds. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. I'll come with my next content. Till that, stay tuned. Thank you.